Oh, good morning. I told me Miracle in Jerry BTV.
Oh, I told me Kevin Sejan. Into on your Live View Medical Hospital. Where Roman Rich, MTNM, and say the Campoma House, Ibenke.
Often in one ake no Nibinko Yana be or Timukum or Lenny, you'll find many Yana be mini.
Ah, when no more about share. Nitete to Note, who le for the nature. Actually, when nobody hospitalized and no banny or what on be in the fear. No wakalepe. No, the manager be credit and this and woba. No overfee or what on be and where eye doctors, where dental doctors, where lab, where no fear on the hospital here. Fair, where fair, bien no man, no ditty, no decrede, no oba, bien.
Often a bear coming bow your mom to you about Tono Chanake. Neji ni tete note dowo the fourth ni inviting you kebabi ene neji nye baba kwe wonye mime ko mama mime ko papa me ame shinhilemi neji Ketron hospital be alogena kaje no to no
na kan pepepe
you no fa so far ni nye ba mini challenges ni nye na e bia mini ji ha o mo kana gba ni nye
so far le wona ko challenges ko kra no wo ba me ko pepepe eni esan water no wo ba hye bia to almost 8:30 am. No ba bene ameka ha wo set up no fia no e bia ne koko yen me obeku oni de jinogbe obi ayo jeme onofia no ya no pepepe
ofane maya no mabibo ko mbe pie ka afi no ko neke wono aka ka free ni she at the same time aka aba check bo she chofan kan bi na ba bole bo den choko shika ba ofane no ko yemi na kan
oh free no onofia no wa chofan ni hospital enwe wa import section ni was pivador wa tie seed wa tie suspension wa tie tablet no neke ni bi edwane no okafe ba neke agbena mo fi anu lo ko wo e oba ni o ha bo eku no ke cha hoye beke bi amede we ma kani bi fe wo ke chofa jimba no oba ha fe free
wo fa ne oba ni ba ha mi nye beni meni nye ba bi ene the kind of hilani nye ko allow the kind of treatment can be fe ni nye ba fe bi ene pot
won kwa nyo hila won kwa hingbe hila won kwa 3D won kwa no ni bi hila ni ko hospital fe Okay, apparatus fe ba no wo ba ne wo kwe.
O fa no we adon ko be.
Oh, abeshida.
Good morning, please. I'm Philip from Ruby TV and you.
I'm Christabel Nogbe from Liveview Medical Hospital.
Okay, please, we can see that something is going on here which we don't really know what is actually going here. So I would like you to tell us what is actually going on here today.
Alright, this is a free health screening which is being held by the Ni-Tetete Owo, the 4th of the Gamashi, and we've been invited here to help sponsor them.
Please, correction, this is Osu, not Gamashi.
Okay. In Osu. Okay. So we are here to help in the sponsoring of the program with Liveview Medical Hospital. We came with our team to also help organize the program to come to a successful end.
Okay, so please, what actually work do you do here? Who are you and why are you to this hospital?
Okay, I'm a nursing officer in the hospital. So as I'm here, I'm also practicing as a nursing officer. So currently I'm helping the lab teams to also have their samples taken.
So please, if I may ask, since you have been here from the morning, and what are some of the challenges you people have been facing here?
Okay, so far so good. We can see that the number keeps increasing, and I think it's worth it, because at least we know that our work here wouldn't be in vain. So the little we have here is enough. Yes.
I can see there is a lot of people here, and so people are coming. And normally we used to hear that when they said free health screening and stuff, you come, they will check everything is free. But your medicine, you have to pay for it. Are you people also doing the same thing? Like you have to check them for them to pay for the medicines and stuff, or everything is free?
Okay, from Liveview Medical Hospital, we are giving all albendazole medications for free. That's for adults. We are giving it for free with Pivador and others. So if anybody needs any medication, it is going to be given to the person for free. But for the albendazole, it's being given to everybody, every individual, every adult from 3 years and above.
Okay, please, I would like you to look through the camera and give a message to those people in the house who are afraid that maybe when they come and in terms that they go through the process of the checkup, they will decide to buy the medicines and stuff. I would like you to give some advice to them so that if they are afraid to do such, they will be here.
Okay, this is Liveview Medical Hospital and I'm Christabel Nogbe. I'm entreating everybody in their homes to come here for the free health checkup. It's going to help you. Some diseases are there, they don't inform you before they come. You don't even know if you have the condition. So as you are coming here, we are going to help you detect any abnormalities that is in your body. At least the basic ones can be done here. Whatever medication you may need that we can provide, we will give it to you for free. Yes, so we are entreating everybody to come here. All the labs are going to be for free. Consultation is going to be for free. We have the eye, we have the dental, and we have all medical consultations, which are going to be for free. So I entreat everybody to wrap up their stuffs and get here right now. Okay. So thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ofane Mingabo.
Ofane Mihelebo Noi.
Ofane Achomi Miracle in Ruby TV. Ofane Ogbe.
Ofane Achomi na Moko.
Yo ofane wona ke nichumo klede ko ya na ebe niji wonumo alo wo papa niji ni tetete dowo the 4th I hani afi health screening ko ye bepi wole ake nutumone ka atwe acho mambi fe shiko ba shebe na akabo yeshikasa ni kani bi ofani ina akabo go through na ka process fe miniji o ha malo na gba ke no te miniji no tun mi no ba ni ba ni mambi ba no ye
ofani be ni te akwami nka ma ke mi ne ken iye sugar akwami ke no fi anu o ha mi chofan ncho process fe mi te labs ke ni bi fe bi an ehwe lab e ko me kopo ni mi me ni te una akwami ne mpe shika kwa he ko noko kura ye ndike nka ye noko ndie be ngbenyungo egbo mpe ko noko kura shi chofan na ha mi na akwami chofan no ni ehia ami aha mi
okay as you can see
ene ake kafi en checking BP ken sugar
okay
mama ko ni kafi en ka pharmacy ko na check
that's it you
mpe noko
ofani bepi ke what the hospital for instance no I check OBP those kind of things especially I feel lab well like just BBO ni ofani ani akawa ka after ka check o lab o result e ba o ba pay 1 cedi ko ye yalo
ofani dabi ake mi nakai ake kwa ake mape ake free
you know ofani mini o ba ke onye mi meni ameyoshe wa mami ko papa mi ko onye mi na ameyoshe na mi segbe ko ekule ka mi ba bi eni aba iska ko ya mi de na me be ko ameta so ofani mini share mu no yo an
ofani makpa me fa ake na kanoko be mi o mi pa me fa na me ba aba ko ami ahe iska ken le ko shian po mani ma woli ami ke ba ko na ko ami na kanu tun won le tun won mo bi an te shian acheche me ke ba mani ma cha no ka shibe na ba gbe na
ima ofani mi abomanye manye ablawo yo ofani atomi ni ado ne jimera ko nje Ribi TV ni bo won gbe
ado mo atomi na omi adoko adote
na omi adoko adote yo ofani ngbe na na ke health screening ya no ya bi ofani masuma ke oba hawo nga ofi alo no otina ka o ya check omo no tie o na gba ke omo ke nga no ye no ka ba
no ni maka mambi ji biato ne no akwa me free aye penjwe owo mo fe mo abale ba kwa ewo ji amin mi ne kan ya kwa ni te akwa mi fine tofa na ma mi e ko beje no anma me sika ko eje me ko ba ha mi
obe ofa ni yo mo eto ne chan ke akwele ahele no koshi emo chofan aba ha le ye ekule hilana na ye na ka chofan ko be mo be jasane ida hospital o pharmacy ko ni aye na ka chofan ofa ne meaning awo no ye ke ha oblan ko brai ni amebani amenshegba ke kule no ko ni ke ka meba ekule chofan hilana ba che aba peska ko alo chofan na ba ye sani ahe na pe ke ska na menshegbe wa me ye hia
mi ka mambi fa ke clinic na afia bia he mokoboko shika mineka ente na akwa mi ahe mi kwenjwepo ahe wa mufia baba le ba kwa woji amin noni yo
mo fa no ba manye
manye John Blavo
ofani atomi ni ado ka Ribi TV ofani wona ka ngene nutumo kon ya ne ya bi ene ni ofani before no mo abutim tu obasma ka obajo ko ka choma bi
yo ra don ke klemi ha mo fi am manye atomi tete ni no te owo ni ji ejo no osumanche
ofani mini potting ni ya no ye be wona ka afail screen ke ni bi ni mempi wi ake wonu mo ni ji ni no tete ni ji ejo ni ha ni ba no ofani mini oyo kam ye
yo be obaje wo affiliation ni ji obaye wo osumo 2022 no fe ano sije basani mambi wo kwa ke mambi ye wale na mego mocho wale na wanya mekeyi affilielo don wo fo noji ngmene bi na wo ke ngmashiki health screening ke health work oblaye ete ame anye amenye gbe no member agbena yimeji ke yimeji ame ateka me BP ke blood pressure malaria hypertensive ke na BFN a checking ame mumba bi ene asosu manche koni mumba koni machon processor me mba tashin akwe system me nya fe health insurance card in we she no do me nke bi man bi fe ake ni wo ba ji affiliate asane mo fiamo ina akechi eyego mo che wale ne ba nye ye affiliate do me da mo fiamo shi
Ofane maya no mabi ekohu ani jomoni oyoni oketo ntumo ne nimi ne baleneke no ba bie no na ke me ni oto ni ekule bi no oto no na ke o me boas na akwe ni alo bi ni bi ya no ye bie no ofane na kaji be ni otawole
na kan pepepe ko ye man alo ye man bi ni ambe wa la me nya me tuni ma nya hwele yo ke obe wa le mi ni ba fe be o wa je mi ji no alo ba gbo no mi to man bi fe abomodin ni mo fi am ke mi e check the system me ke mi an 3 months ya na kwa olami alo ya kwa kechi malaria alo be malaria ni woni keni ne machine no ni woni keni ne je shi me na hu shiji ke okọ ma mi obe health facility papako ni ji a machine ni ba nya treat emergency ja o te reach alo other places no gbene wo je process ko nji wo he ya kechi e chenchon imancheli ne o ba na facility health facility papako ni eba take care of osubi
ofani na gbe mo masma ke ngawo alo so ko no ko ba ha man bi Ibrahim ko ban ke ni na me yo na me nkowo Benin
be man bi osu youth ko no pa fe wole akechi wo twata tan wo twa je wo kometo wotani keji eye obon be ba yin ha wo de ba yin ha wo bi ke ino bi na foko fe mo fi am adu machine wole akechi kuni mele ba chon no ni mo fe mo fi am na anakwa lekumbe e ba yin ama why wo here twa no mani abrawo fe
ofane ene efi ake brother da fi choko we twa ntunu bi antene ke bi ante wona ke gan ejo mini we mo ani mini gbenu no oto ni mini gan efedin ne ke
ganjo boke mi la ke ganjo keji ganjo be twa ke be manchema be ne ekobe ni ma kanshi ni ma ye here shike okwe ma ni jigama me fe manchema be son ni kewo mambi wo bo modeni o wa mona ni ye ni anukwale kan o kegmeje me do ma ba yin ke son gamen ajowo because seat of government allo Ganji city of Accra allo Ghana no keji Ganji the whole Ghana ichwe mini ya no ma me ni bi ya no jigba mo fi am abomodin ni ji gamaja no fe abomodin ni kema chieftaincy disputes ne fe ameku fe na wonenche wanyo fe ni bia pi ni artificial mancheyeli aloje mancheto aye structures aye hia na yo mancheye aye hia ni lenu chuti jase ni jase fe jase aye icho ni ji jase che ke jase che dumokushi ne ke o ne ka ya moko nyeni le efe no ko damejiwo de twimejiwo kemo ko ke eche o sihini e gamemoni gamejiwo jaseche ke je gankopa no fe jaseche ni dumo shi na to manche onupa fe nyinua otumo be eto osu because osu e deserve ene do npanye fa nya na no kwale na kan akenmejeme oni ma aya ehie cha Amanye Abrao.
Ode manye.
Amanye Abrao.
Ofana achomi ni Adojorubi TV ni bo ofana ogbe. Ke anoje.
Ofana achomi Dr. Emmanuel Adepa Adapo. Nchu ni Greater Accra Regional Hospital Niji Regional Hospital. Ni yo Kole Clote Kuchuemi.
Yo ofani wana ke noko ya no ebie bepo ara kusunko ya no ebie. Ofana banyu aka onini potine ya no ebie ngmene.
Ngmene ye ni osu authority na afi health work ke ha homo yelie ni afi medical screening ye biene won kwe me won kwe amehewale akashi te ameyo tenlo won kwa amehime won kwe amela ni won check BP won check diabetes won check hepatitis B won check malaria won kwe nyonyo ni afi health insurance registration mmene niji ni osu ni note tete ni note owo the 4th ni hani neke program ne machine mmene
ofane kama no mabi insane na ke bebi ka afi no ko ne ke wole ake skasane ofane mini jigbena ne e kanu alogbe ne kanu ye bi ene ye ko na ma janu bi aye
shikasane ni ko program ne he fe tete ewo na kanie e ke fo he no ni cho akeshi no fe ro ni wo fi oye bi ene is free of charge e wo health insurance registration free in mekwemo no fe no ni ya no e bi enmene free of charge
ofanika okay no fe no ni ya no bi free ne cho aka kwa botade chechu fana ba abode nchen is free
eja akeshi tete eke companies come ete ni ne partnership ni amen sponsor one na sponsorships keje hospital ko tomo Live View Medical Hospital ame eye equipment ame dental equipment ame some lab support keba fin wose ni wokweni no fe no aya no
ofane le miniji ona pe no keba ha ma bi efe because wale ake bia ni se wo suma afi no oba yi miniji onga ono ye o
me ha mo fe mo afi o afi aya ne bani na wo afi aya ni ke ibani na wo ke woje buwe woje so ke mo fe mo te enitu mo here ehwele ni ke eyemi ahun ke ohinsie esane o check o hewale ni okwa akashi mini pote yo omli koni ahabo chofani okemuna